Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you all what I have here. I have this car wax kit. We're going to open this up and I'll show you all what's inside of it here. So it comes with everything you need to give your car a wax. So here we are. So it comes with a super microfiber towel here, and you can see it's super soft, and it comes with the little wax on pad. And then it comes with the Brazilian Carmax Crystal Car Wax. Brazilian Carnauba Crystal Car Wax. So let's see what this stuff looks like here. So unscrew it here. Smells like car wax, and it is very waxy. So that is what we're going to be able to use to keep our car nice and good. And I have used this stuff before, and my car has stayed crystal clean. I don't even need any more of it right now. Well, not on this car. This car, it doesn't need it, but I'd use it on an older car. But I'm going to be giving this one actually to a buddy of mine who has an older car it's gross. So he's going to need this, and it'll make it hopefully nice and crystal shiny clean. So really cool. Thumbs up. I like this stuff.